That's it, friend?
Yes.
What up, Stormjay Empire?
I'm Stevani.
I'm Trayvon. And welcome back to another reaction. Alright, and today we are reacting to
100 layers of deep fried pizza challenge. Excuse me, I'm
Whoa, 100 layers of deep fried pizza.
100 layers of deep fried pizza. Now, I don't know what this challenge consists of, but I just saw it and thought it was interesting. Like, if no one knows, I love food. So, like, when I find things that are interesting, like, I don't know, I just bring it up and I want to watch it. And why not watch it with you guys? But, yeah, it's odd, right? The title got me.
100 layers of deep fried.
Not two
deep
layers.
fried. Like, I never had a deep fried pizza.
Me neither.
But 100 layers of it? I don't know. But hey, before we get into the video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, be notified every time we drop a new video, and also follow us on our social media accounts. It should be down here, down below. And yeah, let's get into the reactions.
Let's get it.
What's up, guys? We made it to our favorite restaurant stir in Orlando, and we're gonna
What's in Orlando, baby?
On one of our previous videos, we double deep fried pizza. And we teased the idea of frying it 100 times.
Oh my
You guys want to see
god.
us do that? Let us know in the comments.
And you did. Let us know. Pause the screen right now. Comment below. How many layers can we get? And we'll see how far we can go.
If this video gets 100 million plus likes, then we'll do it.
And we almost did it. So close. I'll do it if they get no likes.
I know that they get no likes.
Okay, it begins.
We're about to start. What's the first step, Julia?
The first step is check your audio. Okay, talk.
Check one, check.
Okay, you sound good. Second step, set up your writing station.
I got the milk, and it's organic. Oh yeah, mother's milk.
Ooh, organic milk.
Right, like what?
This is the last time you're gonna see this as a slice of pizza.
That look crusty. That look like some crusty old nasty
We do
pizza.
100 layers. That equates to 5 hours.
Remember
of
in
deep frying.
Brooklyn?
We're gonna all
Yeah, when
But
it's
it's
crusty.
yeah.
So we decided that if we're gonna make it as big as we can't use this whole slice. We're gonna run out of space. So let's cut a tiny little slice out of it.
If we batter this and deep fry it 40 times, I'm going to be impressed. But we are attempting to do it 100 times. Let's see how far we can go.
Layer 1 going down. Flour, egg wash, breadcrumb, just like that. In the fryer. We were able to fry these for 1 minute per side, which helped shave off some time. There's a lot we gotta do that we didn't know we had to do, like take a picture of it. We also kept the tally just to stay on track. And once we sauced this and put the cheese on top, we are officially on to layer number 2.
Oh my god, we're doing tiny food on this channel now.
What's up, guys? We want to give
Yeah, because I think they usually do like big things.
Video with Fortnite. This is my favorite game. I roll
Oh, yeah,
with
we're
squad.
skipping this?
Yeah, we skip
That way I
Yeah.
can still win when I don't do well. My squad loves me. No, seriously, I'm really good at this game. It's in my blood. Don't know. Matt, I'm on Xbox. PlayStation.
Sorry, y'all. We just want to watch
What they're doing,
The deep
yeah.
fried pizza.
Minecraft. Mega position. Because seriously, guys, you gotta download for me. We have a
Okay.
slice of link below. I am ninja. I could be ninja.
I am ninja.
We have a slice of pizza that we estimate will grow an 1/8 thick on all sides for each layer.
These are 8 inch
Times 100 layers, it's not gonna fit.
Oh
And
my
honestly, I think
god.
this might be bigger than 1/8 of an inch. What if it's half an inch?
It's looking bigger. Layer 3 in the flour, in the egg, breadcrumb.
A lot of work for a little piece of food.
Is it just the same thing?
I was never like the bookworm type. I know some people are like lucky that they can learn everything from reading it
They're
once.
just trying to do it
That's not
100
me.
times.
That's not me. This reminds me of the pizza sphere, except a lot faster. The deep frying process is much quicker than
We're gonna start watching this channel a lot.
This is the 5th layer. It's starting to become like a little turd.
Alright, we're now at
A little
That's
turd.
5 layers.
Wow.
Alright guys, it's big enough for a roni. Video's evolved.
Oh, they're gonna start adding
In the
pepperonis.
egg, into the breadcrumb, in the fryer.
I can't even imagine
Man,
what
I
this
know my
tastes
mouth
like.
been open for the last 2 minutes, bro. I'm just
Yeah,
amazed.
like what?
Oh my god.
On to the next one. This is very repetitive.
Into the flour, into the egg, into the
Oh
bread.
my god, bro. That looks so unhealthy, man.
All that grease.
This is
Oh,
very repetitive.
Oh,
Into the bread.
all
my
that
god.
grease.
That's like a heart attack, man.
a stroke
Yeah,
and all.
cheese.
It's gonna clog your arteries.
This is the strangest thing I've ever
Oh
done.
my god. Yeah, I bet it's the strangest thing you ever done.
Layer 9.
God dang. Yeah, I deep fried this thing 9
What's rep
times.
10?
And they're trying to go to 100.
How much weight is
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, 13 ounces, so it's almost a pound already. This is really fun. This is like a great way to spend your Saturday afternoon, guys.
I get it, yeah. Deep fried, I mean, slice of pizza,
you're
it's
gonna
really
get
like,
to see a cross section.
To the max.
This is like, we're at 40.
oh, I'm just gonna know, they really want to eat this. It'll be just
Me
egg,
too.
this is sweet, pepperoni, cheese.
Grease and
Look like a cake.
right.
No,
That's
look-
what I'm saying.
Look
Loaf,
like, yeah,
loaf
look like
bread.
loaf of bread.
Now it started like a cake.
There's Julia salad. That's what she's eating.
Yep.
I think the layers
Yeah,
on
I
this
think
are
y'all should
beautiful.
throw that
It's something
trash.
that I've never seen before. It's something that no one's seen before. It's never been
That's
done.
not
I'm a little
healthy.
bit worried though because as it's getting bigger,
I'm just
not only is it
stuck
going to
on
be
this.
harder to bread, it's going to be harder to put in the fryer. It's going to be harder to lift out of the fryer. We're going to have to flip it every time just so it's coated.
Where are you at now? What do you think?
I can't believe we're still at this.
I can't believe we're still
Wow,
Oh
my
my
God.
When we said it was going to take 5 hours, we were very wrong. At this point, it's almost been 5 hours, and we're not even at the 20th layer.
slowly, very slowly until it's done. There you go.
There is no
Still
way.
putting on this tiny little cutting board.
It still fits.
She said so fast.
19, bro. They're gonna try to attempt 100 times.
That's crazy.
It's
Can you imagine yourself
We're
eating
doing this
this?
together,
We're
guys.
making like gingerbread houses now.
For
In
real.
the deep fryer. There it is, guys. 3 pounds of deep fried pizza.
Our goal is to hit 25, maybe 30.
It depends about that deep fryer. How much can it take? We might have to stop.
The way it's so smoky. You might gotta stop. Deep fryer can't handle
We
it.
have to redo our
Deep fryer got
batches.
them balls.
The whole package of pepperoni
They had to renew their
inside
thing,
this
yeah.
right now.
The first time.
10 pepperonis Julia ate off camera.
I only ate 1. This is our limit, guys. We can't deep fry it any more than this. The deep fryer can't take it.
Yeah, nah, deep fries, I'm done, bro. Give me the rope.
Look at that. 22.
I still think we missed a layer, so I'm going to call 23.
Really?
No, I don't know.
Deep fried pizza for your base. Could you get further? Epic mealtime. Could you do 100 layers? Do it. Maybe you could just do 1 more layer and you could beat our record. We care about the
Right.
inside, not
I thought it was gonna be 100.
23.
Let's grab a sharp knife, cut right into this.
I wanna
bad
see
boy.
what it is.
I'm about to cut it.
Oh my goodness.
It cuts like bread.
Dude. Oh my goodness. Is this it? Oh my God.
Bruh. 10,220 calories.
Per 22 layers. That don't even look good, to be honest. That look like a big old meatloaf. Deep fried meatloaf.
I don't know, like it doesn't look like no pizza, but
I don't know.
that's crazy. It's deep fried though, but
But
that's the point of it being deep fried.
That is so crazy.
There's no. I want to see somebody try
You're gonna
it.
count 40 because there's a layer on top and a layer on the bottom. We want to thank Stir Restaurant and Bar for letting us use their kitchen and their deep fryer and a lot of their tools and a lot of their time.
They tried it.
They probably like,
It's probably really good though. Think about it.
I feel oily.
Oh.
yeah. She's
There you have it, folks.
That's
The
too
100
late for
layer
that,
deep
bro.
fried pizza challenge. This was a very repetitious, painful, laborious process, which is why we are challenging
Yeah,
Epic Meal
Man,
Time
look
to
at
try and
that.
beat our score.
100 layers
By
of
Epic Meal
bacon
Time, I should be
challenge,
hard
y'all. We
to
about to
Yeah.
be rocking on these videos about to
oh
be
my
crazy.
god, bro. Oh, now I feel so unhealthy just watching it, man.
That's what I'm saying. I'm
Like,
just like,
dang, I mean, I gotta go to the gym
and the fact that I
anyways,
actually wanted to try
but-
it.
What? Oh heck no!
The fact that I actually wanted to try it,
You
like,
trying to get a heart attack? The reason why they only took 1 bite, it took a small bite at that. You saw them.
I that grease. It
They
was
just
so
take little
greasy.
tiny bites. You know, they took a big bite.
Can you imagine yourself?
Can you took a bite of that?
Would
Comment
you
down,
have- yes.
yeah, comment down below if y'all can eat that because I
Right.
couldn't, man.
I don't think I could
I
have.
don't want to die.
And comment down below if you think it would have been good or not. Cause I don't know.
It's probably been good. Cheese, pepperoni, you can never go
Sounds so
wrong with
good,
cheese,
right?
man.
Oh, that sounds so
Oh my god. That is,
But-
hey, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to be notified every time we drop a new video. And also follow us on all our social media accounts. It should be down there at the bottom of the screen. And we love you guys, man.
We love you guys.
You love me? I love you. But yeah, until next time we do another reaction,
We are out.
gang gang. Hey, gang.